I'm Mike Wilkinson. I'm part of the talent acquisition team. I've been with the UST almost 4 years, but just completed the servant leadership training. I really got a lot out of this. I thought it was very informative, and it's something that highlighted for me what the leadership style at UST, what the branding and what things are going to be. And it's something that I could use in my career here. I think for me, some of the key things is just the definition of what servant leadership is, the reason that UST is using it, the transition from kind of using those leadership styles and using it for individual and group practices. I think I got that from our 2 day session. I think for what the core values of what UST, what we believe in, I think absolutely it does. During the training, the exercises that you had us go through, it made me think a lot about UST is very focused on the individual or their employees. So absolutely, I feel that this would bode well and work well at UST, as well as other companies. Well, from the workshop, you've had us kind of reach out to other individuals. So some of my colleagues already, Angelina, Ishan, I've kind of reached out and we've had some short discussions. So trying to highlight and adhere to some of those scheduling that we had to do some one-on-ones and takeaways from the other people in my class. And it's something that I went back and reread the handbook on the practices and exercises that we did.